Those not familiar with the style likely cannot tell the difference in between the old and brand new ones. However, the British automaker has actually given the facelift iteration brand new LED headlights and a fresh grille. On top of that, it's sporting activities a 14.4-inch curved screen on the inside, which houses all controls, from the heating and cooling and audio systems to the seats and mobile phone connection. Relying on the marketplace, the 2024 Range Rover Evoque includes a series of various powertrains, including a 3-banger with an electrical motor and a 14.9 kilowatt-hour battery on the P300e. This variant has a total amount of 305 horsepower, 309 PS/228 kW, takes 6.4 seconds from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, and can take a trip on no discharges for approximately 30 miles, 48 kilometers. Chauffeurs can also select in between numerous modes depending upon the outdoor setting. In the USA, the version is provided in the S and Dynamic SE trim levels. Both include the same P250 gasoline engine, a 2.0 L4-pot rejecting 246 horsepower, 250 PS/184 kW, and 269 pound-feet, 365 Newton-meters, of torque. Connected to a 9-speed transmission, the electric motor enables the 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour, in 7 seconds and enables the car to strike a full throttle of 143 miles per hour, 230 kilometers per hour. Prices for the S starts at $49,900 and for the Dynamic SE at $54,900, excluding destination. What does the future hold for the Range Vagabond Evoque? Thinking about that the second generation only lately obtained its mid-cycle refresh, it is a little bit too early to speak about that. However, that does not suggest the providing globe hasn't tried to visualize its designing using a huge dosage of trust fund us. The CGI version in question shares little with the real point and